everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing very well, and thank you so much for your love and support. So keep supporting me and also keep sharing my videos and also subscribe my channel. So in today's video I have created this makeup look. I use mint eyeshadow with green eyeliner and also use some heavy or dramatic eyelashes with the pink lipstick, and I experiment this look for very first time. I never did this before, and like more colorful or more heavy eye makeup or with pinkish lipstick. I really love and enjoying this look. I hope you guys also love and enjoying this look, and if you want to know how I get this look, then keep watching. So firstly, for moisturizing my skin, I'm going to use Back Makeup Moisturizing Lotion. I really love this lotion. This is beautifully moisturize my skin, and it's like a water based formula, and I really love this moisturizer for makeup. Next I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me matte plus poreless foundation, and I'm in shade 228 soft tan. I really love this foundation. This is like a medium to full coverage and gives you a beautiful base for makeup. For concealer, I'm going to use Girl Pro concealer, and I'm in shade medium. I really love this concealer. It's such a beautifully conceal and cover my dark circle, and also I use this for conceal my dark spots on my face. It's just a beautiful concealer. And for brightening, I'm going to use Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. It's beautifully brightening up my under eye areas and also gives me a little bit coverage as well. For setting my face, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm in shade light medium. I really love this powder. This beautifully set my entire face and also gives me coverage, which is so perfect, and I really love this powder. Next, for eyes base, I'm going to use Girl Pro concealer. Next, for eyes, I'm going to use a Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and firstly I'm taking this sandalwood shade and applying on my crease. I'm using this brush by elf. This is a crease brush, and it's so beautifully just applying eye shades into the crease. Then I'm taking this light warm shade, that is henna, and applying on my crease again. I'm just trying to make it more deeper in shade, and now I just blend it very well so there is no any harsh lines. Now I'm taking this little tiny palette and taking this black shade and just applying on my crease just to give a more depth. Now I'm applying my concealer and trying to make a cut crease all over my eyelid. Now I'm taking Nars Dual Intensity Eyeshadow in shade Travos. This shade is like a neutral tone light green with the metallic finish, and applying on my eyelid with same brush. So now I just dust off all the extra products, and next I'm going to take my Revlon green eyeliner and applying on my lower lashes. I think this look is incomplete without applying eyeliner, so I'm using my Nykka eyeliner. Guys, I'm using this eyeliner constantly, and if you have any suggestions about any other eyeliner, so please let me know in the comment section down below so I can try some other eyeliners as well. For mascara, I'm going to use my all-time favorite Maybelline Push-Up Drama Mascara. And then I'm going to apply my false eyelashes. Next for contour, I'm going to use a Mion contour and blush palette. I really love this palette. This is so inexpensive, and this is, I think I ordered from Amazon in India. So if you are looking for a best and good quality contour or blush palette, I highly recommend this palette. You can order from Amazon in India. It has like a contour shade, blush, which is two blush shades, and also it has three different highlighters, which is so perfect. I think this is perfect palette for beginners as well. For blush, I'm taking this warm orange blush shade, and I'm just applying on my cheeks. And for highlighter, I'm using again Neon palette. You can see it's has really nice highlighters, and I really love this palette. now I'm taking this beautiful lip liner by Rimmel. For lipstick, I'm taking this Maybelline lipstick. I tried, I think, 3 to 4 lipstick, and then I got my perfect shade. So I think all these lipstick that I tried in this video from Maybelline. So that's the final result. I hope you guys enjoying and love this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel before you leave, and also keep sharing my videos, and so we can grow our YouTube family. So bye and see you in my next video.